गणपति का त्यौहार है और गणपति में इंडियन फेस्टिवल्स में हम बहुत ही ध्यान से अपने आप को संवारते हैं. वी गेट रेडी टू लुक ब्यूटिफुल एंड टू एंजॉय द फेस्टिवल. डू यू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ पेन इन selecting what you're going to wear for the Indian festival, especially Ganpati?
I think Ganpati, what really works is going Indian, of course, but going something light.
Yeah.
Because you can't be too heavy. You're doing all the puja, you're sitting on the floor and you're doing the aarti, so you can't have something really heavy unless you're keeping Ganpati.
Yeah.
There are people I've seen who are keeping Ganpati on their own and then they wear something heavy, which is fair enough, but there's a lot of running around.
Yeah.
You know, they're serving people the food, then taking care of the people, and then the puja, the gods. So there's a lot of things to do. So I think Ganpati is for me something like similar to what I'm wearing. I think I'll wear, it's comfortable. It's actually a stitched sari by Varun.
Yeah.
So it just, you have to just zip it up and you pin it and that's it. You know, the blouse attached with the lower. So there's just no heading. So since you're here at Azza, I think the best thing is I saw some really, I think you should see, like I saw some really pretty light suits like anarkalis and all, which just work, and they're happy colors, they're God's colors, they're Indian colors by the end.
Absolutely. तो हम बिल्कुल मतलब इस ब्यूटीफुल शॉप के बाहर ही है and we are ready to shop. Are we ready to shop for Ganpati?
Are we ready to shop? Always. Women are born to shop, you realize?
We are. So let's go. So like we promised, we are here to shop for Ganpati and we have some beautiful options here. Isha, let's start.
I'm excited. So, you know, since we are already here, there's Varun and Ritika, and they're these beautiful outfits. You know, if you see, they're, like I was saying, they are lehengas. And they're suits as well, but if you see, it's really light. There's just no weight in it. So that's why I was telling Alka as well when I came in. I said, they just work perfectly. Then you have these really pretty suits.
This is good.
Like, this is beautiful, especially for an Indian skin tone, I think. Even for your skin tone, even with mine, this just goes, it's a color like this. It's again really, look at this, how light. I think the hanger is heavier than the outfit.
It is.
And it just, it's beautiful. It just works well, especially for a day of puja, because you can sit on floor, you can run around and do all the work. So this is something that I've been actually looking at to buy, because oh my god, this year I realized how many Ganpati parties I have to. Sorry, no parties, pujas. I have to attend before. But it's almost like party for me, because I have to dress up and go, and the good food, wherever there's food, it's a party for me. You don't realize how much I love food.
I know, like, okay, so that time if you have to splurge, there's a lot of obviously oily food, which is yum.
Oh yeah.
But so what is that? What is? How do you let yourself go then? Like, what are the food that you really can for, like, when it's oily and fried food?
Oh my god, you know, I think not during just the festivals over here, but I come from Delhi, and oh my god, this Delhi is only food, right? In Bombay, actually, since you're in Mumbai and we're talking about food, I think one thing that I really love to splurge on is vada pav. People think I'm mad, but you know, very recently I had this vada pav, this amazing vada pav from Kamath. It's on that highway, right? It's the same place. I was drooling. I had 4 of them. I just couldn't believe it. So I think that's something that I would like to splurge on when it's so
one
oily.
fried food you're okay with.
Oh my, no, I'm not okay with any fried food.
No, for that moment.
Yeah, for that moment. I mean, I personally, if I could, I would just eat and eat.
गणपति में पहली चीज़ क्या करते हैं आप? मतलब जिस दिन गणपति होता है, how do you kind of start your day? People have their own rituals. How do you start?
Honestly, मुझे अभी तक सच बताऊँ तो गणपति के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं पता है. जैसे मैंने बोला, last year मैं इतनी excited हो गई थी that I told my neighbors and my cousins जो बॉम्बे से है, मुझे गणपति रखना है. बाद में जब पता चला कि आपको सेवा कितनी करनी पड़ती है और उसी कमरे में हमेशा किसी को सोना पड़ता है और मैं अकेले रहती हूँ. आई सेड रहने तो वो तो नहीं होगा, क्योंकि कौन बार बार जोत चलाएगा. वो इट्स जस्ट दैट आई बिलीव कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप मंदिर में जाकर ही भगवान को माने, दिल में होना चाहिए, अच्छा काम करे. सो आई थिंक अब से मैंने खास कर गणपति को लेके ये बिलीव करती हूँ. बट एज सच मेरा अभी तक कोई रिचुअल नहीं है. बस भगवान का नाम, सुबह उठ के आप नहाइए, आप पूजा कीजिए, भगवान का नाम लीजिए और बस हो गया. क्योंकि हमारे नॉर्थ में हम गणपति नहीं मनाते.
So we were discussing about these beautiful clothes and गणपति और किस तरह से हम गणपति में बहुत ही obviously seriously लेते हैं इस फेस्टिवल को, और हमारी वैसे काफ़ी विशेस भी होती है. तो इस साल आप really ऐसा क्या विश मांगना चाहते हैं गणपति?
आई थिंक इस साल जो मैं सच में चाहती हूँ, ऑफ कोर्स बेटर से बेटर फिल्म करूँ, बट उसके अलावा आई थिंक जस्ट ऑल माई लव वंस, खासकर मेरी फैमिली, उनकी हेल्थ. बिकॉज मैं अलग रहती हूँ, अकेले रहती हूँ, तो मुझे हमेशा बस वही स्ट्रेस होते रहता है कि पेरेंट्स की हेल्थ, सिस्टर की हेल्थ. सो आई जस्ट विश कि हाँ, इस साल की बस उनकी हेल्थ पूरे साल ठीक रहे. एंड आई थिंक हेल्थ इज वेल्थ, तो उससे बेटर और क्या चाहूँगी.
Okay, then we are done with our shopping, and you know what she's picking up. And on that note, a little message for everybody on Ganpati for our viewers.
जूम के सभी व्यूअर्स को मेरे तरफ से गणपति की शुभकामनाएं एंड गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
Thank you so much, Isha. Bye. Rudran Chatraj with camera person Anil, Zoom Mumbai.